Okay, now let's see another question for theory of computation ancient paper, that is question number third. In question number third, we have to define the grammar for formal languages, and we have to complete the following table. The table is this. So basically, we were given only the grammar types, that is 01, type 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have to fill all this in the corresponding columns. Okay, so let's see what is a grammar in formal language. So a grammar in formal language theory is set of rules that define the syntax of formal language. It consists of set of symbols which are called as non-terminals, a set of symbol called terminals, a start symbol, a production rule that specify how non-terminals can be replaced by combination of terminals and other non-terminals. So formally our grammar is defined by four tuples, that is n, alphabet P and S, where N is set of final is a set of non-terminal symbol. This symbol is used for disjoint from N. P is a final set of production rule. Each rule has a non-terminal symbol on the left hand side and a sequence of terminal or a non-terminal symbol on right hand side. S is a start symbol which is a member of N. Now we will fill the table which were given in question number third. Okay. So table is grammar equal type 0. Other name of type 0 grammar is unrestricted or phase structure grammar. Its condition is alpha and beta are arbitrary length string where alpha is not equal to beta. The name of the language type 0 grammar is also called as recursive enumerable language. It can be recognized by Turing machine. Example can be A, B, C can be recognized by AB, AB can be recognized by AB, epsilon can be recognized by AB, since alpha equal to epsilon. Type 1 is another name of type 1 grammar is context sensitive and context dependent. Its condition is alpha equal to beta and length of beta must be greater than equal to length of alpha. Its another name is context sensitive language. It can be recognized by linear bond automata, that is LBA. Example alpha B C can be recognized by ABA BA can be recognized by ABBA. Now type 2 another name of type 2 grammar is context free. Its condition is can belongs to alpha and A epsilon B alpha epsilon B union T clean star. Name of language is context free language. It can be recognized by PDA. And its example is S can be recognized by ASB, A can be recognized by BAB, A can be recognized by AB. Type 3, another name of type 3 grammar is regular grammar. Its condition is A can be recognized by either W or WB, A can be recognized by either W or BW. AB belongs to V and AB epsilon V and W epsilon T star. Its another name is also regular language and it can be recognized by finite automata. Its example is A can be written as AB, B can be written as either A or B as S can be written as AB. Thank you.